Earth is facing immense challenges. A growing population and rising consumption are increasing the pressure on our environment. What can we do to reduce that pressure? In the chemical industry, an important step to that end is the mass balance procedure. Most chemical products are made from fossil raw materials like crude oil or natural gas. But we can also use materials from renewable and recycled sources. The mass balance approach enables us to combine fossil and renewable feedstock in any proportion. Even when the renewable feedstock is added upstream in the manufacturing chain, it can still be allocated to the end product, for example the adhesives of Jowat, due to the mass balance process. And the best part? The quality remains exactly the same. Mass balance promotes the use of renewable raw materials without requiring the construction of separate production facilities or constant interruptions to the existing manufacturing processes. The mass balance approach is similar to the principle of green energy. When a consumer chooses a green tariff, the energy provider has to make sure that a part of the electricity put into the grid comes from renewable sources. However, the actual electric power used by the consumer may be a mixed product. As more consumers choose a green tariff, the overall share of renewable energy in the grid rises. The 2 Jowat manufacturing locations in Germany have been certified in accordance with the internationally recognized ISCC system to ensure that everything remains transparent. Due to the ISCC Plus certification, you can rest assured that renewable raw materials have actually been added in earlier manufacturing steps to account for the mass-balanced content in your adhesives. Together, we make a difference. That is why, in addition to our wide range of sustainable green adhesives, we are also supplying adhesives with a mass-balanced content.